something remarkable is happening in the Bono and Ahafo region. This is the Sunyani, Ntotroso, Acherensua highway, a 46-kilometer stretch now being transformed through a major partnership between Newmont Ghana and the government of Ghana. What was once a dusty, challenging road is steadily becoming a smooth, safe, and reliable route connecting thousands of people. In October 2025, Newmont announced the signing of an MOU with the Ministry of Roads and Highways to begin this rehabilitation project. And as you can see, work is already in motion. This initiative is more than just a road project. It's about connecting communities, boosting local economies, and enhancing safety for everyone who travels through Ntotroso, Kenyasi, Hwediem, Wamahinso, and Acherensua. Newmont has a history of investing in infrastructure, from community roads to bridges and schools, and this is yet another bold step in their journey to create lasting value beyond mining. Change is already rolling across the two regions. From the skies of Sunset Drone GH, we'll keep bringing you stories of growth, transformation, and hope across Ghana. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because development looks even better for us.